Take a look at this. Here's a video I generated with Gemini, and as you can see, it has the Gemini logo on it. Now, here's the same video after removing the logo. The watermark is gone, and the process took less than a minute. So let's get started. First, open GeminiWatermarkRemover.io. You'll find the link in the description. Once the website opens, you'll see two options, video and image. If you're removing a watermark from a video, select Video. For an image or photo, choose Image. Now upload the video that contains the Gemini or Flow logo. Wait a few seconds for the video to finish uploading. Once it's uploaded, you'll see the Start Local Cleanup button. Click on it, and the tool will start processing your video and removing the selected watermark. The process usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's finished, you'll see a Download button. Click Download to save the processed video to your device. And that's it. You've removed the watermark in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.